Hello guys, how to fix 0x8007007f Windows 11 update error in Windows 11. And to fix this, the first workaround is update your operating system. To do so, go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key and choose Windows Update from the left side. Thereafter, go to right side and click on check for updates. And if you found any available updates, simply download and install it in your system. And check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is go to File Explorer of your system, and here clear your system drive. First check its, right click on its drive C and choose its properties. Here click on details about C drive. Click on details and you will find all its storage uses, how many data consumed by temporary files and other unnecessary folders. After that, go to Windows search and close the window and go to Windows search and type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup app in your system, and here choose drive C and press OK. This cleanup wizard will appear. Here make the check against unnecessary temporary files, recycle bin and other folders, and simply you may also choose clean up system files and press OK. Sometimes a storage issue may be a cause of appearing Windows Update error code in your system. And check whether your error is still. Then go to the next fixes, right click a start button and choose device manager, and in device manager go to your display adapter section, expand it and right click on it and choose update driver. Update your display adapter driver, maybe fixes this issue, and close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, scan your system, go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and in command prompt Windows execute first DISM tool. These three DISM tool for scan health, DISM tools for check health and DISM tool for restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time, and scan your system health. Thereafter, execute the command SFC/scan now to scan your system for any corrupted files. It will not only detect the corrupted files, repair them accordingly, and your Windows Update error